This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, Gardening Fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey Gardening Fantastics, I'm doing an update on my little seedlings here. Front is the tomatoes seedlings. I'm about to put this plant these tomato plants in a bigger container. I kind of cleaned up on the balcony some. You can see my tomato cage. I'm about to put these tomato seeds in that white bucket out there. And I'm about to rest because I can't overwork myself because I will be sore. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. Ooh, I hope my hand wasn't in the way. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. Y'all probably hear a bunch of noise in the background. Neighbors in the neighborhood, kids, dogs, parties, chats, conversation, all kinds of stuff going on out there. But anyway, I know y'all gonna see like a screen kind of in the picture because I'm doing it through the screen. I forgot. But anyway, that's what it's looking like out there. Now back over here, this is the tomato plants. That is this is the oregano. This is the parsley. What's missing? The chives. The chives didn't make it. I'm about to plant some more chives. And those seeds I just showed y'all, I guess most of you guys have seen the seeds I have. I'm going to start putting those flower seeds out. I planted some sunflower seeds. They are just germinating and coming up. My hand fell right on down, y'all. I got to get me one of them tripods to hold this camera. But anyway, kids, y'all hear me? Y'all mom need a tripod to hold my dang cell phone. And I would like that thing to put in the car. So when I'm in the car and stuff, I need things. I need things that other people money need to buy for me. Yes, no joke. But anyway, yep, so I'm doing an update. This is what my stuff is looking like right now. The flower seeds, they outside. I put them jokers outside. They have adjusted. I know y'all call that hardening. I'm hard-headed. I just set them non-rent paying seedlings outside. And I guess they make it. I'll do an update on them. But they looked all right. I'm just going to hit them with some water, a little water. And that's about it on this one. Let me go to something else, and I'll chat with you Gardening Fantastics later. Hopefully all y'all subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to invite me to your channel. Let's do this thing. Let's support each other. Let's get folks monetized. Let's get folks' channels growing. Let's not be selfish. Get that out your spirit. Don't be negative, and feel the peace in your spirit when you ain't negative or you jealous of other people's channels, days, ways. Be happy for yourself and happy for others, and see how good you feel and see your blessings come through. That's how it works. Don't forget to use that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to invite me to your channel. All right, y'all have a great gardening day. Thanks for sharing on your channels your great gardening activities and giving great gardening tips, care, information. All that stuff is wonderful. I love it. See you guys later on your videos. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.